This is a Bloomberg Money Minute. COVID managed to point out the holes in our supply and demand system when chips needed for everything from cars to appliances, even weapon systems, became scarce.
We've become reliant on a Chinese-only manufacturing base, or a Chinese-dominated manufacturing base, and that allows for no hiccups.
Brandon Daniels, the CEO of Exiger, a business consulting firm that focuses on supply chain risks, says the infusion of federal money into the semiconductor sector has been producing results because the big chip-making companies are planning to do some of that work in the U.S.
Our cost demands to make things cheaper and cheaper led us down a path that's basically intolerable, and we've got to walk our way back.
He says that's true for more than just chips.
When it comes to baby formula, when it comes to N95 masks, when it comes to the magnets that secure F-35 jets, we have to take a different approach.
He says globalization never meant that one country would dominate manufacturing. Joan Doniger, Bloomberg Radio.